अगर मंजिल तक जाना है तो कठिन राह पे चलना होगा। यदि राह ना मिले तो खुद राह बनाना होगा। चलते चलते यदि भटके तो सही दिशा ढूंढना होगा। जब कभी पड़े पाँव में छाले तो कांटों को मरहम बनाना होगा। जब मिलेगी अपनी मंजिल कई मुश्किलें एक हौसला, यह बात सभी को बताना होगा, यह बात सभी को बताना होगा। With this wonderful line, I would like to wish a very sweet, lovely, energetic and humble good morning to the respect of the Home Minister, Mr. KD sir, and to all of you guys presented over here and there. Well, I am Pushpa Gupta. Today I am standing here for deliver my speech for the Mega Seminar 6.4 at sample round. So now I am selecting my points are that first one is importance of education in modern society, and second one is save water, save life, and third one is digital India vision and reality.
The power of positive thinking. So firstly I want to tell you that we can say that the positive thinking is a very powerful, because of this people say be positive. Only means if you will positive, then all the positive will be happen with you.
First of all, like confidence, which means that if you had knowledge and you don't have how to represent, so you don't have, if you don't have a confidence, you will not be speak very well. But you have a confidence, so you will, even you not have any knowledge about it, but you speak very well, because confidence matter. When you go on the stage, like on the podium, we have knowledge about all the things, but we are not be speak very well, because it's only happened because lack of confidence. So first of all, we increase our confidence.
If you talk about my life, so I am currently pursuing a BSc third year, and my dream is becoming a IAS officer, because I want to reduce the corruption in India. Because nowadays people are giving a lot of bribe, and because of, in a government sector where the people are taking and give a bribe, and people want more money just because of taking bribes.
Importance of technology on youth, importance of discipline in life, and should mobile phones be in school? So I started from my first topic, the impact of technology in youth. So basically technology is very important for the modern world, because we are living in the era of modern world. So technology has also pros and cons. If we use technology in a bad or the negative way, it must be burn our life.
My first topic is pollution, a growing threat. So let's start. Pollution. It is the most problem of in generation, because in a country we can see anywhere, any place which is polluted. The pollution is not gifted from the nature. It is polluted by us. We throw the garbages in street.
The role of science in human life. Role of science in human life. Yes, science play a vital role in human life. If I talk about our technologies, which are increasing in all over the world, it make the life of human very easy. If we are we can make our life very easy with the help of technology and science.
My first topic is importance of moral values in life. It is very vital thing in our life, because if we don't have the moral values in our life, so we can do randomly anything, we can abuse anyone, and it is very bad thing. In school we also learn the moral value. Even 1 to 8 we have also moral value books which tell us the discipline, how to talk to elders, how to talk to youngers, and how to walk on road, and so many things.
My topics are poverty in India and global warming as climate change. Firstly, poverty of India. Poverty of India is the first start of India is very just like a very disciplined and disciplined country of India, and the Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi.
Topic is NRC, networking, and USA versus Russia. So, firstly, about networking, there are many types of networking. If we talk about computer, so there are 4 type of network we are using in our gadgets, mobile phones, computer and all. Local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, and personal area network. In personal area network, like we are using Bluetooth, Bluetooth connections, and our earbuds Bluetooth connection, which ranges about 10 meter.